So what is intellectual property? Intellectual property is really something that you can create or that you have created or that you have ownership in. So when you think about it, name, image, and likeness, your name, your image, and your likeness, there's intellectual property rights in that. There's persona, personal rights in that. But there's also other intellectual property. So things like copyrights. So if you were to write lyrics to a song or poem, you could copyright that and you'd have ownership in that. You might also design a logo or have a phrase that you want to turn into a brand and you could trademark that. But it's important when we think about name, image, and likeness contracts where a company wants you to license your name, image, and likeness to them to help promote them, that you understand how they're using your intellectual property. You should be compensated anytime they're using your intellectual property. So if they're using your name, image, and likeness to promote their brand on social media, you should be compensated for that. If you do an appearance and they want to take your picture and then go on and continue to use that, but they're only paying you for your appearance, that's not an appropriate use of your name, image, and likeness. They're using it in a way that they're not compensating you for. So you want to understand your intellectual property because at the heart of all of name, image, and likeness, it really is you licensing your intellectual property to someone else to use, and for that, they're paying you. So you want to understand in any contract how your intellectual property is ultimately being used and how you're being compensated for that use.